Hi, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today we're going to be learning about the whale shark. So I'm going to read you a book. Our title is called Shark Bites, Whale Shark, and the author is Jenna Lee Gleisner. And we have our table of contents over here, which you find in a lot of your informational books. Gentle giant. It is huge. It has spots. It is a whale shark. It is the largest fish. How big is it? Up to 40 feet long. Wow! And I love this photograph because it puts it in perspective of how much bigger than a human a whale shark is. Its body is flat. It has a white belly. It lives in warm waters. It migrates in spring. Remember, boys and girls, we talked about that word migrate and how it means to move from one place to another. Where does it go? Australia. Why? Well, to eat near this reef. So this right here is a coral reef. If it's near Australia, I'm assuming it's the Great Barrier Reef. But all those little things that kind of look like plants are actually little living animals called coral. And there's a starfish. This shark does not hunt. It filters water. Its large mouth opens. It takes in water. So you can kind of see it. It's almost like he's taking in a big gulp. And then you can see all those little specks right there. Those are what it eats. So let's see if we can find out what they are. Gills catch food. So this is the gill. Plankton and krill. Yum. So you can kind of see krill. They look very similar to something that we eat. Can anybody think of what it is? Yep, it's a shrimp. It is gentle. It does not mind divers. Cool. It can live a long time. How long? Up to 70 years. Would you like to see one? I actually think I would. I think it's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and read about this is a labeled diagram showing the parts of a whale shark. Right here, these are the gills. And it says sharks and other fish use gills to breathe underwater. Whale shark gills catch and filter food. This right here is pointing to a dorsal fin. These fins on top of whale sharks help them balance in the water. This is the tail fin, also called the caudal fin. Whale sharks sometimes feed with their tails down and mouths pointed upward toward the surface. This arrow here is pointing to its body, and it says that whale sharks can weigh up to 40,000 pounds. Wow! And it says spot patterns on each whale shark are different. And these right here, it's pointing to this pectoral fin. And it says that large pectoral fins help sharks steer while they're swimming. And over here is our picture glossary. Glossary tells you the meanings of words. And the word here is filters, and that means drains through something. Migrates is one we talked about when you move to another area at a particular time of year. Plankton, these are the teeny tiny animals that we are unable to see with our own eyes that whale sharks can eat. And this right here is a reef. That's what I was telling you about. That's the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So can't wait to watch your videos, and I'm super excited about tomorrow. Hope you'll join us. We're going on a virtual field trip to an aquarium. All right, have a great day. Love you guys.